Hello, fellow VIP Kid teachers, and happy Friday. It is now 10 minutes until 9 o'clock on Friday, July 27th, the very last weekend of the month, which means that I, and hopefully several other teachers, are actually teaching over the weekend, maybe some late nights, maybe some early mornings. I know I haven't done a live stream and or a YouTube video update, and I have 8 minutes until my first class of the weekend. So I thought I would jump on here and talk about 5 things VIP Kid parents do not care about. I'm doing a series here because I am teaching late tonight, early tomorrow, and then really late on Sunday. Trying to get in, hello you guys, trying to get in as many classes as I can before the end of the month. I always make it a point to take as many classes as I can in the last weekend. I actually sent my fiance off. He's doing a 48-hour film festival, so I have all this time. I've pushed my music lessons to Sunday afternoon so I can literally teach, sleep, just for the last weekend. And that is where the bigger paychecks come in, because I'm literally getting as many things as I can on the calendar. And I did lie to you. This video is top 4 things VIP Kid parents do not care about. Short and sweet, because I've got about 5 minutes before I have to leave. The first thing VIP Kid parents, not fellow teachers, not the headquarters, it is the parents that book our classes. If you didn't know that, that's how VIP Kid works. Other companies assign you to kids. In this company, the parents actually do it. So the first thing they do not care about is a Chatty Bio video. In the video, the parents might not know very much English, so if you are verbally telling them why you are such a good teacher, they might not understand what you're saying. So if you have a very chatty video and you're looking to make it, be a little bit better, I recommend not verbally speaking, what you do in the classroom. I actually have a lot of video where you can't hear what I'm saying. It just looks like me talking to the child or playing games, but you just hear music. So I give an intro. Hi, my name is Kristen. So excited to teach your student. Welcome to my classroom. Then it goes right into a montage of me playing games with a child, me having, a reward system. I'm playing guitar in a clip, and you can't actually hear what I'm saying. You just have music playing. It's called B-roll. If you're a YouTuber or a filmmaker, you know this term. It's where you literally just see me talking, but you don't hear what I'm saying, and music is playing over it. No matter what language you speak, you can see the interaction in the classroom, the good time the student would be having, playing guitar, showing my room. So even if the parent doesn't speak a lick of English, which is very possible, they can still see, hey, this is a good teacher, she's got a good classroom environment, let's give her a try. So number 1 on things VIP Kid parents do not care about is a Chatty Bio video. Number 2, they do not care about your entire teaching history. They do not care about it. Give the highlights, the best things you have, and leave it at that. I've seen some teachers in their bios just like write a novel, and it goes on and on and on about what they've done, their history. The parents just want to see, do you have experience, and what is the best of that experience? Because once again, they may not have the best English, the translation may not go through, so I just recommend highlighting the top things in your written bio. So the top 2 things so far that VIP Kid parents do not care about: a chatty video. Do not chat in that video because there's a chance they have no idea what you're talking about. And your entire teaching resume. Make it as simple as possible. Number 3 of things that VIP Kid parents do not care about is the reason that you're late to class. I guarantee you, if you are late to a class, unless you go and tell the fireman or the VIP Kid website, that parent does not care why. They just care that you are there to teach their child. So if you have a reason, it's actually legit, go and write to VIP Kid to get it taken off your record. But I guarantee you the chances of you seeing that child again are probably slim to none, because in China, being on time is a huge deal. And the last thing that VIP Kid parents do not care about are how many kids you teach per week. I know some people put in their bios, I typically teach 50 kids, 100 kids. They do not care how many kids you teach per week. They care if you're going to teach their kid and if you're going to teach them well. So if you're looking for ways to maybe better your bio, better your chances of booking, these are 4 things parents do not care about. A chatty video, do not chat in that video. Make it short and sweet. Introduce yourself, your classroom, show how you're a good teacher in like 60 seconds or less, end your video. Number 2, your entire teaching history. Make it short and sweet. You know, I'm Kristen. I've taught elementary to high school music. Here's why I'm a good teacher. Blah, blah, blah. Hi. Number 3, your reason for being late. In the Chinese culture, it doesn't matter why you're late. If you're late, you're late. I know there are exceptions to this. I know there are things that life throws at us, but in this culture, it doesn't matter. And number 4, things I don't care about, how many kids you teach per week. Now, I will combat this with a future video of the top things VIPKID parents do care about, but right now I've got 3 minutes until my 9 o'clock class, so I'm going to sign off. Teachers, if you are teaching this weekend, best of luck to you. Have your water. If you're a girl, have your lipstick, your headset's ready. We are going in 3 minutes. Best of luck to you. Get those bookings, open those 24-hour short notice slots, do whatever you need, get the numbers, do what you can. I will see you in the next video. Bye.